You look like you have a lot of friends. Do they want to subscribe? What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, hello, my name is Erin. Today I have my friend Amanda with me, and she's going to tell you a little bit about the look that she did on me.
So this is our like super last minute Pennywise look, like really girly, super cheap wig that's like bomb.
Honestly, I think it was like $16 on Amazon. So Amanda is going to be creating her own YouTube channel, and I felt like this would be a great way to just kind of force her to do it.
Literally force me. Literally
force her, because she's been thinking about it for years, and here we are. So we are going to get right into this look. Did you want to? Amanda's been wanting to do a YouTube channel. We've been talking about it since, well, I just met Amanda, like not even a year ago.
Yeah.
So she's been wanting to do it since before I met her.
I've been wanting to do a YouTube channel for, I'm not even joking you, like 5 years.
So this is us easing her into it. Why haven't you though?
It's something completely out of my comfort zone. So I feel like, and I'm a perfectionist, so for it to be out of my comfort zone and be a perfectionist, it's like I don't know if I'm going to do good.
As long as you can sit there and re-watch your video, because editing takes the longest. So if you can re-watch your video and still enjoy it, and then after it's uploaded still be able to watch it, then it's good.
I have everything. Like I have the setup, I have the lighting, I have the camera, I have the makeup, I have everything for me to do it, and I've done videos before and I've edited them, and then I was just like, oh well, that was fun.
But you've also met some cool people too that are in the industry, right?
I've met Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've met Chanel Temple, who is the global makeup artist for Hourglass. I've met JD Wadey 180.
You've also met Carly Bible.
Oh yeah. How can I forget that?
I know.
How can I forget
I was like waiting for that, and I'm like, Amanda, that's the only one I knew.
I know. I've met her.
How was California?
It was fun. I had one, not really one.
She won because she's so freaking good, guys.
I had saved up enough Sephora points to be able to like redeem them in like the Rewards Bazaar. So that was the first time I've ever spent my points, ever. And I've had my Sephora card for probably since I was like in middle school. It was good. We went to the headquarters, the Hourglass headquarters, and
you went with your brother, right?
I don't have a brother. That was my dad.
That was your dad? What? That was your dad?
So yeah, I went with my dad, and he was like my personal photographer. I had gone and I met with Chanel, like I said, who is the global makeup artist for Hourglass Cosmetics, and she did my makeup, and it was just cool. Like we got to like talk a little bit just about like the industry and how she started and all that kind of stuff, which was kind of cool. Like it was really a cool experience.
What are you doing for Halloween?
I have no idea. Absolutely no idea. What are you doing?
I have a wedding on Saturday, so Nothing. Last year I did my bachelorette party in Boston, Halloween weekend. So that was fun. I was a dead bride. And then the year before, I broke my toe. I fell down my stairs drunk and broke my toe, so we didn't do anything. Do you have a stalker?
I did.
So did I.
I did. And I had a stalker in middle school.
In middle school?
Yes.
Not like an older person?
No.
Oh, okay.
Nope. God.
You're like, how much do I say right now?
Yeah, so I did. And it was somebody my age. He would follow me and my friend into the girls' bathroom. I'll just leave it at that.
Mine was college. There was just something mentally not there.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Left after the first year, and I think my mistake was I was nice to him when no one else was.
Mm-hmm.
So it was like he saw me as a friend, but then he took advantage of it as well.
Yeah.
And he would randomly show up from Pennsylvania at my school or the place I lived with like gifts. He would put boxers in my doorstep, or he would like message me telling me that he was outside the party or outside of my house at night. Like, yeah, it was weird. I had a boyfriend. Obviously, when you have a boyfriend, you would go out. So my boyfriend and I would go out alone to bars, and he would like tag along, but not really. Like, he'd always just be kind of
He would just
close.
be there.
Yeah, not a good time. But he wasn't scary. He was just too much. God! I look so scary. All places you have piercings. Oh, is that bad?
No, go ahead.
Okay. I'm like, oh crap. I had my belly button, my lip, and my ears, but I took them all out when I turned 21.
So I have, I have to count, hold on. I have 17 piercings.
17?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. See, I don't like piercing needles. I'll get it done, no problem, but I would rather get tattoos every day.
See, I have wanted a tattoo for so long, and every time I would like think about it, I would just be like, I'm just gonna go to piercing instead.
So if someone did want to recreate this look, how easy is it to do?
It's actually really easy. All you need is like a red eyeshadow, a black eyeshadow, and a white eyeshadow. That's all I've used.
Brush.
Well, yeah, but like for color wise, like that's all I've used on you.
How long did you stay in California for?
I only stayed there for 3 days. I love California. Have you been?
Yeah, I didn't like it though.
Really? What didn't you like about it?
The traffic.
Okay, so I went back in April and the traffic was not bad at all. And I stayed in LA, but like the traffic wasn't bad at all. So then I went this time and my dad was like, oh, the traffic's gonna be so bad, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, well, the last time I went, like it wasn't bad. Like we'll see. It was not bad. Well, when I went April, I did the Pacific Coast Highway. And then we went out a couple times. We went to like a bunch of clubs, which, I mean, late that night, it's not really that busy. But like we went to the beaches, we went to Santa Monica. And then this past time, we went to Santa Monica again. And it wasn't bad, like it wasn't bad.
See, we did all that too, and it took forever.
Really?
Oh my god, it took forever to get anywhere. Like to go to the liquor store took us 20 minutes and it was a mile. Like we should have just walked.
Yeah.
That's how it was. Have you used pretty much the same palette too, or are you bouncing around?
I'm using the Morphe 35C and the Huda Beauty, her original textured palette, the rose gold. Chisel out your cheeks just a little bit more.
Fine with me. Snatch this chick up. Or it. Snatch it up.
Snatch it up. Snatch it up.
Do you know what I like about this? It almost reminds me of, how do you say her name? Sarahi's? When she did that like thug clown. What? What?
How did you say her name?
How is it? How is it?
How did you just say her name?
No, I'm not repeating myself. No, I'm embarrassed.
I love Sarahi.
Shut the fuck up. I love Sarahi.
I love Sarahi.
I wasn't that off. What did I see? Sarahi.
Sarahi.
Be later, Erin.
You had to like, as soon as you said the thug clown, I knew exactly who. I was like, I don't know who she's talking about.
Oh my god, I'm so embarrassing. Oh, I like it. Oh my god, it's gonna like pop like crazy.
Okay.
That's gonna be it for the final Pennywise look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, you can follow me on Instagram at Erin Heartbreak. You can also follow Amanda at Amanda Boulay. I will link
_.
Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to check the description box down below for our Instagram accounts and Amanda's YouTube channel.
That I'm not forced to.
Yep. Okay. Bye everyone.
Are you afraid of the dark? scared?